Right, job being is this braze is in the wrong place. This shank here is too long. He wanted it about 5mm, so we got to take that off and leave about 4mm on for him to come back on and re-braze it prettily. That's a good word, isn't it? Prettily. Right. We're hoping this goes well. That's all the reason I'm filming it. I'm hoping it goes real nice with no complications. So that's as squared as I can get it, obviously, because I've only got a 3 jaw. If and when a 4 jaw falls on top of me, that's the wrong switch. Actually through the steel airler. So let's call that a day. That's about 5mm. What I'm going to do before it does snap, I'm going to just cut a step into it so it's easier to braze back on. I think that's as far as I want to go. We'll take it out, knowing it's going to be damn hot. We'll break the rest of that shell off, because we knew it wasn't in the centre, because it's been welded, so we wasn't expecting fucking miracles, like, you know. Right, that should come out. And you see it's off there, look. It's just that from there to there holding it on, so that should just pop out now, I think. And then I can take this braze off then. Right, so we're left with that now. We'll just clean that up a bit and that's it. That's done. That's diddly doo doo. Don't you like these like these quick videos? Like, should be pretty square. Yeah, that's gonna have to do. I can't go further than that. So let's just break that free. Just put a little tack on here. And that is job done. We want it like that, I think. It's a crunchy thing for the cruncher. Let's just file out a bit. I don't want the lad cutting his fucking ends. It's all nice and clean. He's not going to cut his finger off. Cheers for watching that. That was quick, short, just to show you easy jobs. You can get an easy job now and again.